Securities intermediary means a clearing corporation or a person, including a bank or broker, that in the ordinary course of its business maintains securities accounts for others and is acting in that capacity. Security entitlement means the right and property interest of an entitlement holder with respect to a financial asset entitlement holder. Means a person identified in the records of a security intermediary as the person having a security entitlement against securities. If a person acquires a security entitlement by virtue of sex, the person is an entitlement holder. Clearing corporation, a Federal Reserve Bank, any person that provides clearance or settlement service with respect to financial assets. As you can see here, a security is a financial asset. Is of a type dealt and or traded on security exchanges or securities markets. So that security is being traded.